Hi, this is Colin with Clean Air Comfort Systems, and today we are doing a duct blaster test. And this is the duct blaster machine that gets hooked up to the return air grill in your home. And the purpose of this test is to find the amount of leakage there is in your ductwork. And if your ductwork is airtight, most likely you're not wasting energy. If your ductwork leaks air, you're losing heat or losing air-conditioned air in the summertime to your crawl space, to your attic, or in between floors, or even in the walls. And the purpose of this test is to find out how much duct leakage there is, find out where those leaks are, and hopefully come up with a solution on how to air seal your ductwork to make sure that all of the energy that your heat pump, your furnace creates comes back into your home to heat your house, or all the air-conditioned air your air conditioner creates comes back into your home, and none of it is wasted to the crawl space or the attic. The more energy efficient your ductwork is, the more money you save. Some of the other things to consider are air quality in your home. If your ductwork leaks, it doesn't just lose heat to your crawl space or the attic, but it also pulls in cold air from those spaces, and most of the air in the crawl space or the attic are full of contaminants, dust, hopefully no rodent particles, but that's possible, insulation, construction debris and dust, and all of these are irritants to most people. So having an airtight ductwork system will not only save you money, but make the air in your home a lot healthier to breathe. So if you have any concerns with air quality in your home, or if you have allergies, or someone in your home has any kind of respiratory conditions that you think they may be aggravated or made worse by the air quality in your home, a duct leakage test is a good place to start to diagnose the source of the problem. You might be considering duct cleaning, and that's a good thing to do. And you might be considering higher efficiency air filters, and that's also a very good thing to do. But until you find the source of the leaks and you find the real problem, you might be spinning your wheels, spending money, or wasting your efforts on some of these other solutions. One of the common areas for air leaks is around the register boot. So this is your register that you open and close to control flow. And right here, this joint is where the metal register boot connects to the subfloor. And as you can see here, the register boot is nailed into the subfloor. That's what secures it in place. And along the edges of that, there is mastic sealant, so no air from your crawl space leaks into the house or into the living space. Also, the joints of the boot have to be sealed, and the joint between the flex duct and the boot have to be sealed as well. So part of testing your home, we look for all of these areas and for leaks in these areas, and if there is any room for improvement, we are going to possibly suggest that you seal these yourself, or you have us or someone else come out and make sure that all these areas get sealed up. On average, we have found most homes in our area leak about 20 to 30% of the system's capacity. So if you're concerned with your energy bills, you could possibly save about 20 to 30% just by going around and sealing leaks of this type throughout your entire house. Part of the duct blaster test, we have to go around your entire house and get access to all of the registers. And some of these might be in accessible areas like this, or they might be under furniture. But we do have to get access to these in order to seal them. So what we do is we remove the register. We use some foil tape, and we seal that to the floor. And this will allow us to measure the leakage inside of the duct and not allow any air to escape around the register. All right. So when you have us come out to do a duct leakage test in your home, the whole process will take approximately 1 hour. And what we will be doing is discussing some of the challenges that you're experiencing. Then we have to have all of the registers exposed so we can seal them off. We are going to hook up the tester to your return, and the test will just take a few minutes. After we do the test, we are going to give you the results, and we'll spend a few minutes discussing the possible solutions. And at that point, you'll have the information in your hands to decide which steps you should take to improve the air quality in your home and the energy efficiency of your home. So here we're going to go ahead and start the test. And what this duct blaster will do is going to pull a negative pressure on the ductwork, and that's how it exposes all the leaks. And the typical testing pressure is 25 pascals, and that's the Washington State Energy Code requirement. So here we go. So now the test is complete. It just took about 2 minutes to depressurize the ductwork and give us a reading of 115 CFM. And that is measured against the square footage of the home. And in your case, after we do the test in your home, we're going to explain to you what those numbers mean for your home. And we will give you options on how you can improve the leakage if there is significant leakage that is worth your time. When you build a new house, the duct leakage test is required by code, and when you purchase a system from us, we include the duct leakage test for free. This is a $100 value that we give to all of our clients who choose clean air comfort systems. If you're ready to schedule a duct leakage test, go ahead and give us a call at 360-398-9400 or go to our website cleanaircomfortsystems.com.